Buttons provide a clickable element, which can be used in forms or anywhere that needs a simple, standard button-like functionality. The simplest form of a button is just a standard Ion button tag with some text inside. You can change the foreground and background color of a button by setting the color attribute and passing a value that is a valid theme color. To change the size of the button, we can set the expand attribute and pass either full or block. When expand is set to block, the button will be full width with rounded corners and borders around the button. When expand is set to full, the button will be full width but have no rounded corners and no borders on the left and right. This is useful if you have a content area with no padding and you want the button to be full width. Ion button also has an attribute called fill, which allows you to change the background and border color of the button. By setting fill to clear, we can create a button that has a transparent background and resembles a iOS-styled flat button. By setting fill to outline, the button is transparent but has a border to show where the bounds are. And by changing fill to solid, we get the default look of a full colored background with contrasting text in the foreground. We can also specify the size of the button by setting the size attribute. Valid sizes are small and large. In addition to all of the attributes for Ion button, we also have a few element slots which can control the placement of child content. When a child element has a slot attribute whose value is start, the item will be placed on the left side of the button in left to right mode and on the right side of the button in right to left mode. If the slot attribute's value is n, the element will be placed on the right side of the button in left to right mode and on the left side of the button in right to left mode. The third final value is icon only, and this is useful if you want to have a button that doesn't have any text but is only filled with an icon.